Deep in the sea where the blue waves flow, little Rumi the whale swam slow.